the tie line power flow. So in order to eliminate such a steady state error in frequency, we are using a tie line bias control. So it states that every area has to take part in frequency control action in addition to the power interchange between the control areas. So now we are going to find the area control error for both control areas. So we can write this equation ACE1, that is area control error for area 1, as a change in power interchange plus change in the steady state frequency. So if you are going to write area control error for a single area, we can write only area control error as B1 del F1, but whereas now we are considering the change in power interchange also as an error. So the combination of these two is going to be a area control error for a control area. So likewise we can obtain the area control error equation with respect to area 2. So now we'll include these two equations in the block diagram representation. So far we have obtained a block diagram model of low frequency control, and we have interconnected this by using this tie line modeling. So now along with this block we are going to add this tie line bias control. So the formula is AC equal to del P12 plus B1 del F with respect to area 1. So here we are having a del F and it is been multiplied with B1, and we have to add this with the del change in power demand. So here we are having change in tie line power. So del P interchange in power with respect to area 1, and we are adding these two errors. So we are considering that as a area control error for this area 1, and this is going to be an input to the integrator block, and we all know the integrator has to maintain a negative sign. So the purpose of maintaining a negative sign in this integrator is to get a positive change in frequency. So that positive change in frequency will alter, or it will reduce, give a decrease command to the power generation. So in order to give a positive change in frequency, we are purposely maintaining a negative sign in this integrator. So likewise we can include the area control error block to the entire low frequency control.